Create PDF from an Excel file without white margins. I have an Excel document that I need to save it as PDF, but I have an image on the header and the footer that needs to be 100% long in the page. Whenever I try to save it in PDF, Excel adds a white margin on the sides of the page. I have already tried page layout is greater than margins is greater than 0 all. I also tried using PDF Creator, printing the document as a PDF files. The margin is still there.
After thousands of tries, I found a way. I set all the margins to 0, page layout is greater than margins is greater than 0 all, and then I printed with the native Windows PDF printer, Microsoft Print to PDF. I didn't even knew Windows came with a native PDF printer, but that solved my problem.
Using the Microsoft Print to PDF printer resolves the issue for printed document. However, I wanted to save my document to PDF so the text is embedded and could be copied. Also, the Print to PDF command cannot be automated using a macro, or at least I couldn't figure out how, while the Save to PDF command is widely documented and allows to predetermine the path and file name using a cell value. Like mentioned in the previous comments, all page margins should be set to 0. Also, in the page setup is greater than header/footer, both scale with document and align with page margins boxes should be checked. At this point, if you save to PDF your document, the white bleed lines should still occur in your newly created PDF document. All you need to do at this point is to print your document using Microsoft Print to PDF. Complete the whole process and your printed/saved document should be okay. Now, go back using the Save to PDF command, either in the menu ribbon or using VBA macro, and your saved document should be okay. I'm using Microsoft Office 2013 on Windows 10.
I encountered the same issue and fixed it by going to File is greater than Options is greater than Advanced is greater than General, Section is greater than and unticking scale content for a 4. Should be fine as long as you have your page sizes formatted correctly.